Summer's hot and winter's cold. Time will fly, that's how it goes. Oh, it's magic in the air. You're coming home, I'm waiting there.
It's a big one.
You never had to wonder the way I feel inside.
Hey everyone, welcome to the remote east coast of New Zealand, where we have had the best of weather and then 2 days of rain, which wasn't so fun. But last time we were free camping at Hopi Beach, which has some great free camps and facilities along a nice safe beach. There's a link at the top for that if you want to watch. But before we went out remote, we spent a night at a Portuguese town which has good facilities. We got our laundry done, the last shopping top-ups, and a wheel alignment done because I noticed the inner wheel had a little wear and tear on it. From Portuguese, it's 326 kilometres until the next full supermarket and laundry in Gisborne. Our next little town, Te Kaha, has a population of just over 300 people. But our first stop is on someone from the NZMCA's private property, which must be one of the best in the country. Well, we are hooked up and loaded and ready for the east coast. The sun is out. I've got some fish bait. Oh, wish me luck. It's supposed to be the best fishing out there. We're heading towards the Motu River. So, let's get on the road. This is just a pretty stunning drive. I think a lot of people do the drive in a day just to capture the scenery.
With everything I've ever done, I give it all to everyone for one more day. Another night I'm waking through another door I walk into, I can't break. And it's a winding road, and it's a long way home. Don't wait for someone to tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
Good old East Coast, eh? What a beautiful spot to park. Plenty of parking up there too. Magic weather to fly the drone. No wind. Oh, surely there's fish out there. Wow, check out this spot. So Bev and Ted, who own this parkover property, have pretty much put a beachfront campground in their yard for people to come and park up and enjoy their beautiful beach. They even put a toilet block in for people, which is pretty awesome. And they've got water and power. What a giant and beautiful pahutakawa tree that is, eh? But then we wasted no time checking out the beach. If you like skimming rocks, this is the beach for skimming rocks. Look at how flat they all are. Alright, so I've been out, I've done my first cast with the drone, got a snapper straight away. A little bit small, so I've grabbed a beer and the GoPro and we're going down to try again. So first flight, just some bites and a loss of baits, out we go again. Kids, I think we're eating tonight. Just a little trevally for the first one. Alright team, we're on again and it's still the first battery. I'll usually get about 3 or 4 casts on a battery. I have 2 batteries, but this time just a little kahawai. Alright team, we have hooked on again. This is definitely the biggest one.
Holy! Oh, that's
It's a good one.
2 fishes in one day. Woo!
So Riley made a cool stack of rocks, and Jade and Toby made our family. We've got Dad, Mum, Jade, Riley, Toby, and then Toby added someone else, Jackson, which is complete news to me.
Yeah, sorry Jackson, we only have 3 beds for kids in this caravan. That afternoon I filleted the fish and then we just hung out enjoying the sunshine. Oh, this fish is cooking up. Beautiful. Pretty much haven't had good fresh fish since we left New Zealand for the US and come back. We did get some fish and chips in Rotorua and they weren't good. The fish was not fresh, so I'm looking forward to eating this fish that was caught the same day. Yum! This fish is so good. I need to go catch some more, I think. Beautiful evening out there. I need to go fly the drone out, the batteries are charged again. So?
Well done, Mikey. I'm so proud of you.
So after dinner, me and Tobes went back down for another fish. Pretty big, it's putting up a good fight. Wow. Huge.
Oh! That's a huge snapper!
Go start videoing it? Are you videoing it?
Holy!
Right at that point, I thought the hook had come out and the snapper was like going to swim away, so I quickly dropped my rod and threw it up on the shore.
Holy! That's huge!
Oh my gosh.
So big. Should I go tell the others?
That's looking at me. Wow, this thing is huge. Woohoo! Bloody thing broke the tip of my rod as well.
I want to, it says 5 point, this is a 5.7.
Bit of an adrenaline rush when you catch a fish that big. I am pretty stoked. Anyway, I think we should get back to the time lapse of the sunset because it's going to look pretty magic too. It's just been a win all around today. I'm sure there's some rain in the forecast. Normally on the east coast the sun rises, but out here the sun sets over the water. Pretty cool, I reckon. Sorry, we interrupt this sunset for another fish. Toby's got it this time. How's it going, Toby? Is it hard?
Yes, but he's a little one.
Oh, yep. Yep, that's it. Take him down to the water. Quick, you gotta be fast so he doesn't die. Don't throw him though, put him in nicely. Put him in nicely. That's it.
He's definitely gone.
Good. Was that cool?
Yeah.
Oh, good times. All right, well, let's get that sunset going again. Sorry if fishing is not your thing, but pretty exciting for us. I promise there is no more fishing in this video though.
Each new day has a sun.
What a giant and beautiful Pahutakawa tree that is, eh?
What a beautiful day it is though.
This day was a quiet day on the camera front, mostly because we were fishing. Just a beautiful evening in a beautiful place. Jade, what kind of day have we had today?
Wet day.
And just not really done anything, have we?
No, not
We'll go and show you why. It's been grey and gloomy all day today. And I think after like a week of sunshine, we've just kind of gone, Some breathing room, but this has got to be one of the best parkover properties. Not only do they have like a full bathroom here, they let you dump your grey water into their gardens, but they've also got this cool fire circle over here. I also want to point out that everyone else here had a slow day too. How sweet is that? This space is entirely to encourage other campers to like connect and hang out with one another. So cool night at the campfire last night. We were there till about 11 yarning with people. It was cool, but this weather. We've got a bit of a break in the rain, so we're going to head out to Te Kaha to our next spot. There is no cell phone service here, even with Wireless Nation. So we're going to go see what it's like over there, because it's supposed to rain for a couple of days. So we've had 4 days of no internet now. Kids are probably keen on a movie. How's it going, Toby?
Let's see if we can get some resistance.
So from our parkover property, it was only about 30 kilometres up the coast to Te Kaha. So we are in Te Kaha now. The weather is atrocious outside. We're making some wraps for dinner. We've pretty much just had a lazy day. I've been doing some video editing. The kids have watched a movie. We're just having some dinner now. Is that good, Toad? Yeah. Well, good morning from Te Kaha. It rained and poured last night. The ocean just looks like there's been a massive tsunami or something out there. It's real rough. The forecast for today is rain all day, but hopefully it's kind of poured itself out a little bit and we have some better weather.
Well, it don't come with a master plan, a grand design for how to make it pan out the way you want it to. Well, son, that's left up to you. It's a race of undetermined length that'll test your mind and test your strength, leave you feeling all alone, but always find a way to bring you home.
Even on a pretty grey, rainy day, still managed to get the batteries topped up. It's always the days you need the most power that you get the least amount. It's quite surprising how much having the inverter on drains the battery just to run the laptops. So if you're wondering where we are, we're currently parked up at some friends from Rotorua. This is like their little holiday batch where they come do some fishing. We're just going to go for a walk. This is a really small town. I googled how big it is. Population at the last census, 387 people. So very small little community. It does have a pretty good store and it also got some good takeaways there as well. It's a bit sad these freedom campsites seem like they're more closed down by the locals rather than district councils. There was definitely some issues over COVID and making sure these areas had the facilities like toilets being cleaned and rubbish collected, but they've never reopened, which is a little bit sad really. Right, we've made a bit of a PE challenge, physical education here at the playground. We've got a course. The kids have raced it a couple of times, so they're familiar with it now. So we'll show you. Because our kids aren't in school, they definitely enjoy a bit of structure around education or just doing some challenges. They love mum and dad being involved with their learning and their outdoor engagement. And saying that, that's most of the time. All right, a few more specs are rain, so time to head back to the caravan.
It gets really deep in the water.
Back in the caravan, we played a bit of Pictionary. Is it coral?
Do you give up yet?
No, because you lose if we don't get it.
He just...
Gosh, it was amazing how good the weather was at Ahopi Beach and where we were at Marenui, and it's just been raining all day. We got our little break down to the playground, but it's been raining heavy for about another 3 hours. It's just lightening up again, although tomorrow is supposed to be a good day. The roller coaster of living in a caravan, eh? The weather. We did manage to make it down to the rocky shore where the kids got to explore over the rocks.
nothing I could change. Nothing I could change. Each new day has a song.
It's a rainy day, so it's a soup day, I reckon.
And it's also Halloween pumpkin soup.
And that evening we had the most beautiful sunset, which just gave us such great hope for the next day. So many beautiful colours turning up in the sky.
You're my ghost. This haunted house has become a home.
Gonna need to.
Well, after a pretty beautiful sunset last night, I was expecting to wake up to a nice sunny day today, so we can go and check out this area, but it's just rainy, hasn't stopped raining really this morning, very drizzly, and we would rather travel on a rainy day rather than travel on a beautiful day. So the weather is supposed to improve, so we're thinking we're just going to head on down the coast to the next spot and see what we can find. So I think time to pack up. Probably end this episode here. Had some beautiful weather, some great fishing, now some not so good weather. So next video, sun should be out. See you later.
Alright, hi, we're leaving Te Kaha today and we're going to, I think it's Te Ararua. See you there.
There was a moment I was thinking about